And if you're not busy enough, you also have a pickup and delivery business, Laundry Express,
Yeah,
which you launched in the teeth of the pandemic in 2020, which is
yeah,
actually probably good timing for pickup and delivery.
totally
Uh,
by accident. Yeah. We
okay, that
had
wasn't obviously that was
it
not
looks
planned.
like we were taking advantage of the pandemic, but we were thinking about it at the end of 2019, thinking about let's
It
try
was in the
pickup and
works.
delivery. We've
It
got
was in the
our
works.
in-store drop-off process nailed down. We're really,
Hmm.
really good at drop-off laundry, high demand. Wow, let's try pickup and delivery.
Right. Well,
Yeah,
tell me about that. Tell me about
another
that
moment of
operation.
insanity.
Where do
So,
you process? How do you process the laundry? How does that
yep.
go?
Well, that kind of leads into the math that we're building.
Okay.
We made that go no go decision January 1st, 2020. We got to decide, okay, are we going to do it or are we going to not? And we decided, yeah, we're going to do it. So we launched April 1st of 2020, April Fool's Day, in the middle of the pandemic. Brilliant. So currently we operate out of our existing store, out of the laundry station.
Mhm.
We had to carve out an area that used to be customer seating and make it the storage area for all our product for intake, and then getting ready to, the shelving to
Mhm.
take it out. Where it's like we're like a goldfish in a bowl. We are bursting at the seam. We're as big as we can get right there.
Mhm.
So the building that we've bought that we are making into a laundromat in the front half, the back half is going to be the processing area for our pickup and delivery. We'll have all the room that we need.
Oh, that's
Hallelujah.
great.
And I can reclaim that customer seating area in the laundry station in our existing store and make that a better customer experience again.
Mhm. Mhm.
So
Very good. That works
yeah.
out perfectly. Well,
Yeah.
how do you tackle the delivery aspect? Because people are doing it so many different ways.
Mhm.
How do you do it at Laundry Express, and how
Yeah.
is it working out?
We do everything in-house. I have nothing but W-2 employees. I'm not doing the gig economy
Mhm.
thing. We actually had a DoorDash driver rear-end our van a couple of years ago. And so, yeah, that's another
Mhm.
story.
Yeah,
But that is not going to deliver my laundry. The guy in the gray
absolutely.
t-shirt with all the tattoos with the cigarette getting out of his car to examine his damage. Um, so uh, we do all W-2 employees.
Mhm.
Like I said, we do it all in-house. We do the same wash, dry, fold procedures, basically,
Mhm.
pre-treat for stains, check the pockets, blah, blah, blah. Folding the same way. We use a software, pickup and delivery software that
Mhm.
does optimized routing. People can place their orders on an app. They can place them. They can give us a call. Hey, 3 ways to place orders on the
Mhm.
app. They can give us a call or on our website, laundryexpressks.com.
Mhm.
Um, and then we do Monday through Friday. Currently, now this will be subject to change probably in the next year. Currently, we are at Monday through Friday, next day delivery. We don't charge a fee. We have a $35 minimum for pickup and delivery, and so you got to have your minimum. You got to make it worthwhile. We're going to your house or your business twice a day, or twice,
Mhm.
to once to pick up and once to deliver. Nice mix of residential and commercial. I'm trying to get more into commercial as
Mhm.
opposed to residential. There's no baby socks to match up and no onesies to fold in
Right.
commercial.
Right.
It's a lot easier as far as, it's towels, it's rags, it's, stuff like that.